Okay, hello. This is Goodison Gamer once again, and welcome to another review. So, when I think about Commodore 64, there are a few games that comes to mind immediately, and one of those games is Buggy Boy. That was released in 1987. This was a game I played a lot back in my childhood. I didn't own Commodore 64 myself, but I had a lot of friends who had Commodore 64, so I took every chance I could to play Buggy Boy among other cool titles. So it will be cool to revisit this game after all these years. So what we have here is 5 different tracks. So let's start. So here we go. I push upwards here on my analog stick and I change gears manually with my A button. There are 2 gears. And the flags gives points, and if I take them in order, like up there in the right corner there, if I take them in order there will be more points. But I will focus on try to get somewhere. That's my main objective. Whoops. Oh shit. So here we go. It's awesome cool game. Shit. So many obstacles. I could need there. Come on, give me more time, but 5 seconds to go. I will not make it. I shall give this track one more go. One more go here. Try to stay on the road if it's possible. And don't mind the flags. Just keep on driving here. But it's a little bit addictive to take the flags anyway. Ooh. Yes, more time, please. Oops, shit. Oops, come on. Come on, can I make it? Oops, no. Come on, no. Fuck. That time banner is so located so badly. Yes. I made it. In the last second. So now it's just goes round and round, I think. Or is it new obstacles? I don't know actually. But I will keep on driving here. There's more time. Okay, now I need a turquoise flag in order to get the bonus here. I can try that. I'm driving without pressure now. Yeah, the landscape is changing. Oh, there was the turquoise flag. Oh, 15 seconds to go. Can I find the turquoise flag? Oh, I changed gears too sudden there. There is it. No, how could I miss it? There. Did I miss it again? What the hell? Okay. Oh. There you go, G, that's me. Okay, let's try the next north. So this is checkpoint based. I think all of them are checkpoint based here. And I'm driving here in this kind of a northern icy landscape. Is it up in Sweden, perhaps, where I'm from? Or is it up in Alaska or northern Russia? I don't know. What? Shit, didn't see that one coming. Or is it in North America or United States? I don't know. Oh, sorry. What am I doing? I'm messing around with my gears here. Oops. Can I make it to the checkpoint? It would be awesome. Ah! Another time banner located bad. 14 seconds. Ah! Oh, oi, oi, oi. Oh, let's take another. No bonus here. Let's take the east. Ah, I changed gears to southern there. Oh no! Yeah, as everyone can see, I have not exercised, or what did I say? I have not trained so much in this game. Yeah. Come on, there are so many obstacles. And it's hard to gain speed. But this is an awesome game actually. It's brilliant all over. It still holds up today actually. I was so near a checkpoint there, so I'm gonna give it one more test run here. Where am I? East, okay. I don't know why can't I change gears now. I have a bad start there. I don't know what happened actually. I'm messing around with the gears here. Oh no, the same mistake again. Can I reach the checkpoint, please? The same spot. Ah, too bad. I did too many mistakes there. Let's try the west here. Da na 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 na. Wait. Shit, there are many obstacles here. Ooh. Wee. Come on. That was not fair. Ah, didn't see that one. Up. Come on. Woo! Yes. No! Oh shit! Why did I put a branch there? It's pretty far away to the next checkpoint as well. Come on, that was crazy. Come on now, can I? I missed it. And that ball there gives me like 2000 points or something if I drive into it. Oh, come on, 7 seconds. I cannot make it. Oh, I was far away. Oh, second place. Okay, now it was west. What do I have left? Okay, only south. Last. This looks exotic. We have palm trees here. Warm breeze. Oops. Time. Thank you. Oh, it was a palm tree there immediately. Oops, too many rocks and shit. Ooh. Ah, those time banners are located so badly. Oh, this is so messed up. But I don't remember this game after 27 years or something. I'm gonna give it one more try. One more try. So I can get on the scoreboard. At least. Should try not to drive into the palm trees here. Or the rocks. And avoid the time banners or whatever they are called. Oops. Time, okay, I can take that one. Oh, stupid mistake. Okay, I can take that one. But come on. There it is, yes. Oh, narrow. That was narrow. No, there are too many obstacles. But I have a lot of time now. So can I... No! That was lucky. Oops. Come on. Ooh. Ah. I was lucky there. I missed the ball as well. Wah. Where are you, checkpoint? Show yourself. 14 seconds. Fuck. Why did I do that for? Yes. Awesome. Last second again. Oops. I missed the time. Shit. 35 seconds. Can I make it to the next? Oops. I missed the ball again. Oh, too many obstacles. Oops. Shit. There is the ball. There. Cool. Ah. Yeah, first place. So awesome. So there you go, Buggy Boy on the Commodore 64. Awesome game. It still holds up. I love it. It don't need a remake or anything. I know that there are Amiga version of it, but I have never played it. But this version is just perfect. I will give it a 9 out of 10 for this one. There you go. I really recommend it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Take care of yourselves and have a good one. Goodbye.